Today's adventure was sponsored by Kodak. No, not really, but how cool would that have been? I got a new camera because I decided that I'm going to junk journal Little Miss this summer with me so that she can remember it. I mean, like, she's only 3 now, so when she's 18, I feel like seeing this would be super cool, right? I did the Kodak memo shot era because it actually prints the pictures in real time. And it has Bluetooth, so I can, like, send pictures to it also. We went out to Conner Prairie. It's one of my favorite places to take guests because it's such a cool experience. But this time, we actually ended up doing more of the kids-centered experiences. Oh, Little Miss ate that right up. We started with the petting zoo. Little Miss loves animals, so why not? I find it to be the cutest thing. If you see her with her mouth open wide, she is mimicking the sheep. What's funny is every time she would do it, one of the sheeps from the yard would mimic her. Well, I guess they're not mimicking her, but like they would bad back. I've been teaching her more about bugs and how they're not all like super scary because she's actually terrified of them. So when I saw this garden, I made it the perfect opportunity to teach her about bees, butterflies, and how they help pollinate to give us flowers, which she loves. The flowers, that is. One of the things at Conner Prairie that we've actually never seen until we took Little Miss was that they have a 3-story tree house. Oh man, was it amazing. And I'm talking as an adult. They had facts and maps and everything else, but then also there were slides and mirrors and things that she could play with, interact with. I literally love this place. What a perfect way to end the almost end of Little Miss's summer vacation.